Did you know that all of California's grassland habitats used to look like this every spring? Well, in the past 2 centuries, nearly all of these originally diverse grassland habitats have now become almost entirely invaded by aggressive plant species that were brought from Europe. Many people in the state have been trying for many years to reverse this ecological degradation. But there's a problem. Almost all of our attempts to restore these grassland ecosystems fail. Now, you might not really care about plants. Well, even if you don't care about the rare and cuddly animals that happen to rely on this diverse plant community to survive, then what you probably do care about is money. And every grassland restoration project that fails is a huge waste of money. Not just anyone's money, sometimes it could be your money. For instance, Caltrans spent $225,000 taxpayer dollars per acre over 6 years of trying and failing. Now, if we were to apply that price point to restoring the entire expanse of invaded grassland in California, we would need $3 trillion, which is more or less the amount of money that the entire federal government gets from taxes every year. Clearly, we're doing something wrong here. Why is this so expensive? Well, many experts believe it's because we're going about this in an uninformed process of trial and error. If we really want to restore California grasslands and do it efficiently, we need to use science to figure out exactly what we've been doing wrong so we can do it right. Specifically, we need scientific case studies that compare failed projects to successful ones. So when the ecology lab that I've been working in decided that one of our experimental grassland restoration projects was failing, I saw this not as a failure to be abandoned, but actually as an incredible opportunity, because only 850 feet away and set up at the same time was another experimental grassland restoration project, but this one was working. So this is a really rare opportunity to completely eliminate weather out of the equation. So over the past year, I've conducted a number of field experiments to try and figure out what went wrong, why the difference. My research has focused on the most plausible ecological explanations, such as a difference in the soil at the 2 sites, a known difference in the mixture of native seeds used for restoration at the 2 sites, and a potential subsequent effect due to animals that forage for seeds. And the results of this research will not only provide specific insight into how we can improve grassland restoration in this part of the state, but my research also provides a larger methodological framework that the whole state can use to transition from uninformed trial and error to scientifically rigorous assessment and readjustment. And with that, we'll have a much better chance of restoring California's wondrous gift of biodiversity to share with the next generation. And also, we could save a ton of cash. Thank you.